Hello everyone! Today I'm here at one of China's leading steel pipe factory. Follow me and let's take a closer look at how these pipes are produced and why they are trusted in projects around the world. Here you can see LSAW steel pipe produced on site, with diameter ranging from 406mm to 1422mm. Each pipe features a smooth surface and a uniform wide seam, ensuring consistent quality and structural reliability. However, what you are seeing now is only part of the factory. As we move forward, you will find that there are more than one type of steel pipe produced here. This is our ERW welded pipe workshop, dedicated to small and medium diameter pipe ranging from 76mm up to 660mm. These pipes are widely used across structural, mechanical, and industrial applications. Now we are heading towards the coating workshop. Well, not every pipe requires coating, but for many projects, the step is very critical. Pipe used underground installation, water transmission, or in harsh environments usually need extra protection. The coating protects the steel pipe from corrosion, extending its service life and ensuring long-term operational stability. After production and coating, every pipe must undergo strict inspection. Only steel pipes that meet inspection standards are approved for loading and shipment. From welding and coating to inspection, our step is complete in-house, ensuring full process control and consistent quality. Different workshops perform different tasks, but all connect to one goal, which is deliver reliable steel pipe solution for real-world engineering projects. Thank you for watching. Follow us to learn more about our products.